I'm on an Apple iPhone, and I emailed the link to myself. I blurred out a little bit of the link here, and I emailed it to myself. I clicked on it, opened it in Chrome, and then what we're going to do is you're going to press the blue download button. And at the very bottom, as you can see, there's another download thing. You're going to click on that where it says download, the blue. And it's going to start downloading. It's going to take a while because you're on a mobile phone, of course. And at the top here, it's going to say repair your download, download diagnostic tool. That's only if you have problems downloading. But as you can see at the very bottom here, you can see that it's starting to move. It's starting to move pretty rapidly, and you can see that it is downloading. So I'm going to fast forward from here to this part until you can actually see the download in the second part. All right. Okay, so the next part, you're going to once it's all completely downloaded, you're going to open in, and you're going to choose save as, and then you're going to rename the folder. Just follow the directions in the video like I'm doing. But you see how when I pop up it says open in. You can also save it to Google Drive if you install it too. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap on open in, and it's going to bring up a file. Like, where do you want to open it in? So what you want to do is you want to save it to your files. Okay. So it's this little folder here where it says save to files. It looks like a folder icon because once you open your iPhone, you're going to open that up. Now you can see I have a whole bunch of icons already in my files, but you're going to create a new folder and call it Florida iOS icons. That's where you're going to save it. And that's pretty much the gist of that. And then I'm going to show you where your folder is because some people don't know where it is. So it's literally on your phone somewhere. Some people don't know how to find it, so I'm going to show you how to find it on your actual phone storage. You can also download Google Drive. I downloaded Google Drive too. Because I didn't even know that I didn't have that. So that's another thing. So I'm about ready to show you where it is on the file system here. Okay. Okay. So your files, it's like a little blue folder. So I have mine categorized in my storages. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and extract those. Because they're already in your folder in a zip file. And then those are all the actual icons in there, so you can go inside and click on them and then just do your thing. Now you have the coral ones and you have the glitter, and then also I had uploaded because some people had asked for a special request. So if you go into Etsy, there's actually some bonus icons that were added in addition to these. So they're the first ones that you download in Etsy. So that's pretty much it. And then you can just start, editing your, your phone and making it pretty and stuff. All right. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.